Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to pin the Gmail in your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Gmail. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, please wait until an option would be available here at the right side of it. And once it is being ready, click on this open file location next to run as administrator. So in that way, you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed or being saved to. Now please select it. Please make a right click and go with this copy icon. The moment you've copied it, close the window and here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. The moment you have created a shortcut for Gmail here at the desktop, we need to proceed on pinning it to the taskbar. So how we can do so, please make a right click once again. And from here, you can see here at the last, which is show more options. Please click on it and eventually you will be able to see a window like this where it contains a list of options. And since the target or the goal of this video is to pin our Gmail to the taskbar, then we need to locate for this option which is pin to taskbar, which is next to scan with Microsoft Defender. So please click on it and eventually you will be able to pin that to the taskbar. So you can see it here, it is being placed, aligning at the icons and shortcuts or applications here that is being pinned here in your Windows 11 taskbar. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on pinning your Gmail to the taskbar here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now thank you and have a good day.